Hello Internet marketers, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon and today I'm going to show you about Google AdSense auto ads and how to set it up. This is fairly new to the world of AdSense, and here is the page from Google documentation about auto ads, and I will leave that in the description below this video, the link to this page. And here you will find more information about auto ads and all the advanced things you can do with it. But basically, auto ads, the number one thing for me at least is it lets you, or auto ads will automatically place and optimize your ads on your website for you, totally hands-free, automatically. So auto ads will pretty much place your ads at random spots, split testing them to see which one performs better, and then automatically use the ads that makes the most money, the most has the most click-through rates, and making you the most revenue automatically. And it is super easy to use. It's pretty much one line of code you add to your site, the header of your site, and it will take care of everything. There's no need to add custom channels. It's done automatically, and I'm very thrilled about auto ads. And this is how you set it up. Inside your Google AdSense account, go to auto ads. This menu tab right here, it's under the ads sub menu, and once you're here, just click on set up auto ads, and all you have to do is copy this code onto your website before the head, so in between the head tags of your website, and that's all you have to do. This line of code right here, easy as that. And it usually takes about 24 hours, and then your ads will start showing up. So here's my site, How to Webmaster, and I've set up this auto ads, and right now it is testing some random placements of the ads. So this auto ads is going to place ads at some random places, such as the header, the sidebar, inside your content, pretty much everywhere on your site, and it's gonna find the best spots and the best ads for you automatically, hands-free, very easy. And so right now it's testing this header spot, it seems. So if I click on another page, you can see another banner ad here, and the size, even test out the size, I think. So this size is smaller than this page. This width seems a little bit bigger. And with mobile ads, it's gonna do the same thing. It's gonna set up random spots inside your content, on your sidebar, footer, everywhere. And there are different types of ads you can choose. So let's click on this edit button, and when you set up your auto ads, you can customize for each site as well if you want. And this is the global auto ads setting, so you want to control which kind of ads you like. So we got text and display ads. You can easily turn it on and off here. We have the in-feed ads, in-article, match content, and even overlay ads. And you can see some of the examples. So this is how it looks like right here, what the ads look like. And then you can check this box and to get automatically new ad formats. So whenever Google rolls out new ad formats, such as, I don't know, maybe a full page sponsorship or pop-ups, exit pop-ups, I don't know, they may not ever use that, but who knows. So you check this box, it's gonna grab any new ads and test it out for you. So that's pretty cool about Autoads. I love it so far. It makes split testing ads so much easier. And there's one little problem that people have been reporting is that the Autoads, when you set it up for the first time, it may put too many ads on your site, especially with mobile. I've heard people receive over 5 ad placements in random spots and mostly in their content. So it could be a little bit messy, but over time the Autoads will optimize itself and give you the best position to make you the most revenue. So unless you get too many complaints, there may be a bug, who knows. It is fairly new, Autoads, so keep a lookout. But so far so good. I love it, Autoads, and that's how you use it. And this is probably the best way to increase your AdSense revenue, just by simply using the technology from Google AdSense, auto placement ads. So I hope this helps. I hope this will increase your revenue. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment below. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks. Until next time, happy marketing.